Hi guys, my name is Lina and you're on my YouTube channel where I share the most profitable and easiest binary option trading strategies. Watch this video till the end and you understand how to earn with this strategy. If you are new here and you think that trading is too hard for you, it's wrong because my strategies are very simple and even beginner can understand it. Join my Telegram group with free signals and use my promo codes and you get 50% to your deposit account. Friends, I want to tell you that my own trading bot with signals has become available. You can activate the bot right now. Find the link in the description below the video. Free access available for a limited time, so quickly follow the link. Later the access will be paid. Don't miss your chance and get a little closer to your dream. Subscribe and like and comment, it really motivates me, and let's start. Today we have a little over $100 on our balance. We open deals for the maximum deposit time, 1 minute time frame. Let's pick up our indicators. These are Kelton channel and stochastic set the period at 20. This setting over sold zone 30, overbought zone 70. Leave these settings. So watch carefully and let's move on to trading and begin our analysis. We will select the maximum profitable percentage and also find the right entry to the deal. While I don't want to go here, I think it will be possible to enter the deal here. Up and downward, select the work area. Look, we have a downward trend and immediately the update takes place at the local low of the price and the correction has also gone up. Very good correction gets our upward dynamics. We see that the stochastic is in the overbought area. Currently we play ahead and in theory we understand that it should go down. We still have 30 seconds left. Now the price will stand still for a bit and then it will go down because the correction was quite strong. And let's we have an exit, friends, exactly in the last seconds, as I said at the very beginning of the explanation. Let's change the amount of the deal and set the maximum value. Let's continue. Here we see the renewal of the bottom maximum and let's open for a fall. We see that previously flats from this price low prevailed. Our movement went up very strong. Upward dynamics update of the local maximum. Next is the most interesting and we see a correction, and after a very strong upward dynamic the correction should be appropriate because the price has gone up a lot. Here according to the stochastic we see the same picture. Very strong upward dynamics in theory telling us that the moment she go down. Therefore, a deal was opened for sale and until the end of the deal it remains in the region of 5 seconds. And now next deal. Closes in plus. We have almost $400 on our balance sheet. I think we should not stop. But before we continue, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel with free signals, and you'll find there all the links you need to get there and become a trader with me. You can find the links in the description. And now let's continue trading and choose next concept up. So pretty good entry and let's open an up position here, up Select the work area first. Let's look at the stochastic. We understand that upward dynamics prevails. We open the deal again ahead of the curve. We also understand that upward dynamics prevails. There was an update of the price maximum in this area and the strong downward correction began. The traffic went to the outer part of the candle and then followed by correction. The price stands still. So the channel will also we're already seeing a long shadow at the candle, and like last time, this tells us that the moment she got up, the deal is closed at 0, no big deal. I think here let's open an additional deal to buy up trade. In principle, everything is the same. The same explanation, only now we have an additional signal in the form of this candle. On both sides we have long shadows. This just strengthen our signal to increase. We can also highlight another area of support here. It touched in this area, and in theory we should have a correction. As you can see, the output is already more confident going on. Everything is pretty simple. The last time the candle went down, but still the deal was closed at 0. But here the deal was already opened correctly, and in principle the deal was closed in plus. That's it. When you have some such moments, always open additional deals. You can use martingale strategy and open additional trade. Let's continue the analysis. Only the highest percentages see its as. Here we see a good future downside correction. Now I'll explain why we opened the trade this way. Look at the stochastic. Our signal showed here, and then it didn't go down as it did before. It went up again, and here the price again stands still. The movement needs a long downward dynamics. After this correction, we also see that the candle has long shadows on top. This suggests that the movement should go down further along the trend, and the correction should end at this. That's why the deal is open for sale. The deal is open absolutely ahead of the curve. Since our stochastic has not yet crossed this line, we're reading this moment and we are waiting for the completion. And our deal closes on plus. That is, it was nearby the price went up, but in any case we would have opened an additional deal. If we had gone to 0, we would have opened an additional deal, and you see that the movements went down. Let's refresh the page and continue our analytics and select the next concept. We see for a fall, good trade entry, opens the deal ahead on the curve. We see that the stochastic has goes down, but does not report this area, and it has been in the overbought area for a long time. In theory, we understand that the moment she go down, downward dynamics was present here before, and now it's also present after updating the local low price, and the subsequent downward movement is provided to us. Everything is very simple. The deal is open in advance, so at the end I think that it being plus. and our deal closes in plus. In fact, there was nothing complicated. Let's change the amount of the deal. Here we see a good rollback. In fact, we play on it and open a deal to sell little. Did not have time to enter the deal correctly. I wanted to open a deal at this level, but I think it's okay. Downward dynamics are present here. Stochastic crossover has already been observed. This correction must be completed and our movement should go down. Since we regard this area as a correction and everything should be correct and our deal will close in plus. We played ahead of the curve and at the end there should be an exit and our trade should close in plus. Our trade closes in plus again. As you can see, the timing is perfect and the deal is closing plus. We played ahead of the curve and let's choose the next principal. Here the opponent 2 buy deals to the curve. Let's choose. Let's take the technical analysis for a bit here. I left this concept on purpose. We see that the stochastic is very high and this correction reaches the level of 70. See past strong upward dynamics. After this correction, the movement should go up. After the correction, according to the dynamics, the movement goes up. And in principle, this entry into the deal will be an exception about 25 seconds remain before its completion. So the volatility is rather weak. In principle, the deal is opened correctly. We have a good exit. Now I will also want to remind you that I have a private training school. You'll find all the links in the description and our next deal is closing plus and let's pick the next concept. Let's open deals on this concept again. Select the work area. Absolutely the same entry into the deal as before, but here we see a small double bottom and also see a long shadow. In this area, this suggests that the movement should go up. And in principle, we again adhere to these rules. And we open a deal in the direction of the trend. We open for purchase and as you can see, a confident exit occurs. Everything was very simple. We understand that a very strong upward trend prevails. By the way, this is discussed in my trading skill. You can go and see the recent overview of many strategies, which will also be useful for beginners. And our deals are closed in plus again. We have 8,000 on the balance sheet and let's open deals just for this $8,000 to consolidate the result. Let's pick the next concept up. So let's open 8 up trade here and I'll tell you one secret. The deal is opened according to the same principle. That's we have 3 deals in a row open for an increase. The price high is being updated, so we understand that we must move upwards and in principle this deal will not be by the end because everything is very simple. Let's zoom and so you can see the movements better. We also understand that there is a strong upward trend and at the same time candles have low volatility. Gradual upward dynamics is taking place. If there was a strong impulse, then the movements really have gone into correction. Let it go. And so there's no moments. And our deals should less and plus, perfect. $15,000 on the balance and let's withdraw it. 10,000 continue, and our operation is performed. So I attach the screenshot to the end of the video. So good luck in strategy. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.